More than any other man-made invention, clocks control the human life. Clocks dictate when they wake and when they eat. They tell them when to work, play, rest, and sleep. Think about what happens if a clock slowly drifts from its accurate time. Imagine if the clocks in your life were 15 minutes off, 30 minutes, an hour. Think of the chaos and confusion that would ensue. Late to work, missed meetings, dinner is ruined, or worse. Now, imagine that same chaos and confusion is violently concentrated inside of your body. You don't have to imagine it, because it is. Every life on Earth is quite literally designed to march to the beat of the original clock, the one above, the one that is decidedly not man-made. Humans, animals, plants, almost everything on the planet is biologically engineered to adhere to the rising and setting of the sun. This proven, necessary, primal cycle, the way your body naturally responds to the innate cues from the sun, is the essence of what are known as circadian rhythms. Life on Earth is dependent on this cyclical dance of light. Unfortunately, humans, as they so often do, have made themselves the exception. They've abandoned millions of years of their own evolution and stepped away from the sun. The Industrial Revolution brought with it electric light and subsequently introduced the never-ending day. By ignoring these vital circadian rhythms, the human body has been sabotaged from within, and its anatomical and visceral systems have been thrust into confusion and chaos. Imagine an orchestra without a conductor. Or worse still, imagine an orchestra with several conductors, all unqualified, and all operating at different speeds. This is not hyperbole. Almost every aspect of the human body varies rhythmically over a 24-hour period. The hormones, core body temperature, athletic and cognitive performances, everything changes. To coordinate these changes, humans rely on their environment and the light found within and throughout. Light influences humans through the eye. It enters the eye and falls on the retina, where it is detected by 3 types of cells: cones, rods, and intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, or iPRGCs. Cones provide color vision, rods provide night vision, and iPRGCs support our circadian system. iPRGCs send signals directly to multiple parts of the brain. For circadian entrainment, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, is the key. The SCN is the principal timekeeper. It broadcasts signals throughout the body, keeping all organs and systems in time. Without a strong light input, the body loses its conductor, and it desynchronizes. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, is produced at night, and along with other hormones and the autonomic nervous system, it is utilized by the SCN to keep the organs and peripheral tissues in sync. This drives rhythmic changes in body temperature, resting heart rate, reaction times, strength, and even the skin's ability to tolerate ultraviolet light. The human body is a complex symphony of dependent interconnectivity, but an out-of-sync orchestra makes only noise, not music. Modern lifestyles do not adequately support the SCN in its role as conductor, and we are seeing the results of this as an epidemic of modern diseases. Many companies have sought to counter these results by demonizing blue light, but that is a naive oversimplification. At night, blue light suppresses melatonin and disrupts sleep, but during the day, it plays a vital role in stabilizing the damaging effects of nighttime exposure. Despite the misguided well-intentions of blue-blocking devices, a lack of blue light during the day can be harmful. For example, prolonged avoidance of blue light has been shown to cause cognitive decline in healthy young adults. Simply put, humans need the correct light, including blue light, at the correct time. Without this correct light, days become dull and nights become poisonous. Beyond the predictable effects of exhaustion, light at night is carcinogenic. Circadian disruption is linked to a huge range of adverse health outcomes, including obesity, infertility, dementia, and cancer. At Korrus, our journey is a restorative one. These necessary and natural circadian rhythms need rescuing, and we are uniquely qualified to lead those efforts in the emerging field of human-light interaction.